WhatsApp to introduce effortless online payment featuring in 2024. WhatsApp, install updated version 2.24.7.3. WhatsApp, the globally renowned messaging platform, is gearing up to streamline online payments with its latest feature addition. This significant move aims to revolutionize the way users transact within the app, simplifying transactions. In an effort to enhance user experience, WhatsApp is set to unveil a new feature designed to simplify online payments. This development comes as a response to the growing demand for seamless and convenient financial transactions among users worldwide. Enhanced convenience. The upcoming feature is poised to offer enhanced convenience to WhatsApp users, allowing them to effortlessly make online payments without leaving the app. By integrating this functionality seamlessly into the messaging platform, WhatsApp aims to redefine the way individuals engage in digital transactions. Streamlined process. With the introduction of this new feature, WhatsApp users can expect a streamlined payment process that eliminates unnecessary steps and reduces friction. By leveraging the platform's robust infrastructure, users will be able to complete transactions swiftly and securely, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Secure transactions. Security remains a top priority for WhatsApp, and the upcoming payment feature is no exception. Utilizing state-of-the-art encryption technology, WhatsApp ensures that all transactions conducted within the app are secure and protected from potential threats. Global accessibility. One of the most compelling aspects of this new feature is its global accessibility. Regardless of geographical location, WhatsApp users worldwide will have access to seamless online payments, facilitating transactions with friends, family, and businesses across borders. Expanding financial services. By venturing into the realm of online payments, WhatsApp demonstrates its commitment to expanding its suite of financial services. This strategic move not only enhances the platform's value proposition, but also positions WhatsApp as a comprehensive solution for communication and commerce. User-centric innovation. At its core, WhatsApp's decision to introduce this new feature reflects its dedication to delivering user-centric innovation. By continuously evolving and adapting to the changing needs of its user base, WhatsApp solidifies its position as a market leader in the digital communication landscape. Conclusion. WhatsApp. In conclusion, the upcoming introduction of an online payment feature on WhatsApp heralds a new era of convenience and accessibility for users worldwide. With its seamless integration, robust security measures, and global reach, this feature is poised to redefine the way individuals transact within the app, setting a new standard for online payments in the digital age.